Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Before you begin, confirm remote start is legal where you drive because some states restrict unattended running and it can affect emissions compliance. Check your warranty language before enabling. The only two practical methods are dealer coding with VCDS or installing an aftermarket CAN bus remote start module. Gather a laptop, VCDS or compatible cable, a quality aftermarket module, OBD-ROMAN2 access, a 10A inline fuse, insulated terminals, basic hand tools, and allow 1 to 3 hours. Typical costs range 50 to 50. To enable remote start by coding, connect a VCDS laptop and proper OBD-ROMAN2 cable, then access controller 09 central elect and read adaptation channels and coding. Always save a full backup of existing log and coding to restore if needed. Document original values. Change the specific remote start adaptation or 7-digit coding per your model guide, save, and cycle ignition. Confirm immobilizer still arms and anti-theft lamps behave normally. Test remote start outdoors in a ventilated area and verify doors. If coding is not possible, install an aftermarket CAN bus remote start module rated for Volkswagen systems and include an immobilizer bypass when required. Mount the module securely. Run a fused constant 12V feed protected by a 10A inline fuse, connect ignition, starter trigger, door lock/unlock outputs and a clean chassis ground, and tie into the high-speed CAN lines following the module schematic. Bench test all connections. Program the module to match your key and immobilizer logic. Then test remote start with doors locked in a ventilated outdoor area and re-torque fasteners after final verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.